I know everyone uses AI to study now, and rightfully so because it makes your life so much easier. As someone that's tried so many of the AI tools out there, this is the one I recommend. So it's called StudyFetch. This website is backed by a college board, so you know it's reliable. These are all the features they offer. The live lecture one lets AI listen to your professor and auto take notes for you. It can help you generate flashcards or practice tests based on the slides that you upload. But the arcade feature here is what makes it better than everything else. You can literally create games based on the slides you upload. So this is what it looks like. It makes studying so fun and honestly a bit addicting.